You want to taste the batter of the peanut butter?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead, try it. What do you think?
Cheese.
What do you think? Is it good?
Yeah,
Real good?
it's yum.
It's yummy, huh?
And are you gonna try it?
Mm-hmm.
No. Oops. Sticky. Ew. Sticky.
Kind of sticky?
Mm-hmm.
Need to wash your hands?
No, I want to try it.
You got to try it again to make sure it's good. Did we do a good job?
Yeah. Sticky. I want to wash your hands.
Okay, we'll wash your hands.